So basically, I think that they overlap, to a great degree. I mean, the bottom line is that while business ethics is a much more informal code or way of conducting business that's kind of developed over time, the law of business is actually these are enforceable principles that courts will actually apply to the actions and behaviors of corporate representatives. And the bottom line is that if you are not able to portray yourself as somebody in the community of business that operates under ethical business practices, then you won't be in business long. The bottom line is that these ethical business practices are really what leads you to doing more business. People do business in these communities with people they know, like, and trust. But if the question is about whether or not the two overlap, well, to the extent that you are developing a negative reputation, you are becoming someone who doesn't abide by a code of business conduct and ethics and actually flow that down to your employees as a requirement, it can also lead to violations of the law, whether those violations are under your control or things that are completely outside of the control, things that could be controlled by a code of business conduct that actually informs your employees of the principles that apply to their behavior. If you don't have that sort of code in play, then you're running the risk of them making decisions that could negatively affect the company and in turn impact your own legal liability, and that's how the two actually kind of are interwoven.